Hey, it's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and in today's TikTok tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make this video right here, like the 1800s trend that's been blowing up all over TikTok lately. It's incredibly easy to do and will take no time at all, but before we get into that, if you guys could go down and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, it would mean so much as we're trying to hit 60,000 subscribers. I think we're about 1K off right now at the time of recording this video, so if we could hit that, that'd be awesome. And before we get into the actual video, this video is actually sponsored by a fantastic NFT company, so huge shout out to them for helping to publish the video. Here's that sponsored ad right now. Family Phallus Planet, the NFT planet where every phallus is unique and free. Yes, you heard this right. The NFT collection we're promoting today is called FAP, and it is a fantastic NFT collection that I highly recommend you guys check out. Very similar to the NFT collection that I actually posted on my YouTube channel that I created. However, the art style is way better and the roadmap is 20 times better. It's a non-serious art collection with very serious intentions, and you guys can check all the information out on their website, which will be linked down in the description. If you have any additional questions, you can also check them out on social medias, which will also be linked down in the description. Thank you so much to FAP for sponsoring this video. Alrighty, so let's get right into this tutorial. So there will be a few apps that you need downloaded for today's tutorial, those being CapCut, PixArt, and Record It. So once you have all of those downloaded, we can get started. The first thing you want to do is go on Safari or Google Chrome and search up 1800s pictures, and you just want to scroll through and find some good base photos that you want to use for this trend. I'd highly recommend also looking through all the TikToks just to get some ideas of what other people are using for their photos. So I'm going to quickly select 3 different photos that I like. Once I'm done that, I'm going to go into the Record It app, and it's really easy to do. You just hit the big red button and it starts recording your entire screen. And this is how you're going to record the next part of the video. So you just want to go quickly over to Safari, and then you want to search Books Ngram Viewer. And it's going to bring this page up right here, and then you want to search up whatever you want to do for the trend. For this example, I'm going to do gamer, so I'm going to search that up, and then I'm going to go to the bottom and then scroll a little bit to 1834, and bam, that's all you need for the video. Then you can just go back onto the Record It app and stop recording, and then save that video to your camera roll as you'll be using it later. So next thing you want to do is edit those photos in PixArt, and PixArt's a fantastic free app, so you can open PixArt up and hit the purple plus icon and then select one of your photos. And then the easiest way to edit these photos is by adding a sticker. You can add custom images, but I find they're a lot harder to do. And if you just want to make this trend really quick, you can just do stickers. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a bunch of stickers to these photos and kind of play around with them a little bit. Obviously, I'm not going to be trying too hard on this tutorial just because it's for demonstration purposes only. I'm not going to post this. However, if you really wanted to go all out, I'd highly recommend using maybe like Photoshop if you wanted to make your edits incredibly well. PixArt does do a fantastic job though, however, of editing down these photos, and majority of the TikToks that I've seen that have blown up have just been edited in apps like PixArt. So don't worry if you don't think your photo editing skills are the best. Once you have your 3 photos edited, you want to make sure you save them all to your camera roll, and then you're ready for the next step. So the next thing you want to do is go onto TikTok itself and find this sound right here. It will be linked down in the description. It's like Axel_LSG. And you just want to click one of those videos and save it to your camera roll. Then you want to open the app CapCut and select new project. And then you just want to add the TikTok that you downloaded. Then what I like to do is find the point in the video where it changes from the graph to the image and split it, and then get rid of that part by deleting it. You can just select and then hit delete. And then CapCut includes an outro to their videos. You can also select that and delete it. Next thing you want to do is add your 3 images. So I'm just going to do that by hitting the white plus icon and adding all 3 images. And then what you want to do is add the effect to those images. You can do that by selecting the image, scrolling to the right till you see style, and then selecting the 3D zoom option. So you want to do that to all of your photos, and then you want to trim your photos down to around 0.8 seconds to 1 second, depending however many photos you have. I would recommend 0.8 seconds, so make sure your last 3 photos are all 0.8 seconds long. And then the last thing you can do is replace the TikTok Ngram video with the Ngram video that you recorded on your Record It app, and bam, that's how you make this video that you've seen everywhere on TikTok. You can download it, save it to your camera roll, and then post it directly to TikTok, and hopefully your video will blow up. This trend has been blowing up everywhere, so I wouldn't be surprised if it did. But yeah, guys, that's been the Sauce from the Viral Kingdom explaining how to do this trend. If you guys like other tutorial videos on TikTok related content, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as I've been posting a ton of TikTok related stuff as of recent. We're on our road to 100K subscribers, so if we could hit that in the future, that would be crazy. But anyways, I hope you guys have yourselves a fantastic day. Peace. See ya later.
Make